Now in this video we will start with the test yourself. In that first one is that is multiple choice type. In that first question, for this we need to find multiple inverse after simplification of this question. Okay, see here, as we know that whenever the power is having a 0, no, the answer will be what? It's 1. So 8 raised to the power 0, answer will we will get that is 1. Similarly here 1, put it in the bracket. Okay, and this side 1 minus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, 1 minus 1 is 0, but in between we will have the relation that is multiplication. Okay, when we will open the bracket, 2 zeros we will get 0. Okay, now 0 we have to write in the form of multiplicative inverse, or we can say simply we have to write the reciprocal of that. So see here, nothing it is there means there will be 1 in the denominator. Okay, we usually don't mention it, but there will be 1. Okay, so when I'll do the reciprocal of that, then I'll get 1 comes to the numerator and 0 comes to the denominator. Whenever the 0 comes in the denominator, no, that we will say undefined. Okay, now let's see what is the option for this. So for this option, that is option D, undefined. So here is the second question. For this we need to find the value of this. Okay, see here the power which is in the negative sign, so we have to make it a positive. For that we need to do multiplicative inverse, or we can say reciprocal. To 1 by 4, when I'll do the reciprocal of that, I'll get 4 by 1, and simply I'm just writing 4 only. And minus 2, it will become plus 2. Okay, similarly here 3 raised to the power 2, I'll get, put it in the square bracket, however it is there, division sign, and here I'll get 5 raised to the power 2. Okay, now 4 4s are 16 plus 3 3s are 9. See, multiply, still division it is there, no? 5 5s are 25. 16 plus 9, how much I'll get? That is 25. Now we will, for further simplification, I'll convert division to multiplication, right? So when I'll convert this here, we have to do again reciprocal. So I'll get that is 1 by 25. Now 25 ones are 25, 25 ones are 25. So answer I'll get that is 1. Now let's see the option for this. Option B is the correct answer for this. Okay. Now in question number 3, we need to find the n value. So here n which is in the power place. Okay. Now to find out the n value, we need to make powers equate. For that we need to make a bases are same, but here it is 3, 9 and different. So how we can write? Let me write 3 raised to the power 4 as it is. 9 we can write 3 raised to the power 2, like 3 3 is a 9. Okay, now then raised to the power 3 is equals to, again similarly 9 also we can write 3 raised to the power 2 and raised to the power n. 3 3 is a 9. Okay, now 3 raised to the power 4 into, now here we can apply the powers law. In the powers law we can multiply the powers, like 2 3 is a 6 is equals to, here similarly into 2 into n, I'll get that is 2n. Now here at the left side both bases are same, so we can apply the products law. In that products law, when the bases are same, so we can add the powers, right? So 3 raised to the power 4 plus 6, when I'll add, I'll get that is 10, which is equals to 3 raised to the power 2n. So both bases are same, so simply I can get now 10 equals to 2n. To find out the n value, let me bring 2 to the left side, so it will become in the form of division, is equals to n. 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. Therefore n value I found that is 5. Now let us see the options. Question number 3. In that, option A is the correct answer, that is 5. Now in the question number 4, we need to find the x value, which is in the again power. Okay, now see here, look at the left side at the base. Here it is 5 by 6 and here it is 6 by 5. Both are different. And look at the right side, it is 5 by 6, which is already in there, same in the left side. Now let's make 6 by 5 of that reciprocal. Okay, so remaining will be, I'm just writing as it is, 5 by 6 raised to the power 5 into, when I'll do the reciprocal of this, I'll get 5 by 6 raised to the power, now minus 4, it will become plus 4, is equals to 5 by 6 raised to the power 3x. Now both bases are same, so what we can do, we can add the powers that comes in the products law. Okay, 5 by 6 raised to the power 5 plus 4, I'll get that is 9, is equals to 5 by 6 raised to the power 3x. Now both bases are same, simply I can cancel, so I'll get 9 is equals to 3x. Now to find out the x value, let me bring 3 to the left side. So when I'll bring to the left side, it will become in the form of division, that is 9 by 3 is equals to x. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Hence therefore x value we found, that is 3. Now let us check the options. So which option is the correct for this? Option D is the correct answer, that is 3. Question number 5. Now to simplify this, let me write left side as it is, that is 2 by 5 raised to the power minus 8. Now let me convert from division to multiplication. As we know that for that we need to do reciprocal of that, right? So I'll get that is 1 by 2 by raised to the power 5. Okay. Now see here, 2 by 5 raised to the power minus 8. Now to simplify further, we need to bring 5 to the numerator, right? So when I'll bring again, it will become 5 by 2 raised to the power 5. This time it is not going to change the sign. Okay, so it is like this, like 4 by 3 if I'm having 3 by 4. Okay, for this let me bring 4 to the numerator, no? And before that 4 by 3 it will remain in the same place. Now in this division it will become multiplication and 4 comes to the numerator and 3 comes to the denominator. Similarly I have done here, and here it is one, only one. Don't think that here it is 1, it will be like 1 by 1. Okay, now see here, now we need to make up both bases are same, so then only we can add the powers or further we can simplify. To make that, what I'll do the reciprocal of this. So I'll get 5 by 2 raised to the power 8 into 5 by 2 raised to the power 5. So both bases are same, so simply what we can do, we can add the powers, that is 8 plus 5, I'll get that is 13. Now let's check the options for this. Okay, we got 5 by 2 raised to the power 13, but we don't have any like a 5 by 2 we are having, but its power is in the negative form. So what if I do the reciprocal of this, like 2 by 5 raised to the power, then I'll get minus 13. Okay, then we will having the option B, that is 2 by 5 raised to the power minus 13. Now we have a last question, question number 6 from the first main. Now statement 1, see in this again we know that whenever the powers is 0, no, the answer will be 1. So x raised to the power 0 value we will get, that is 1, plus here it is 1, put it in the bracket. Now in the bracket, no, not required. See here, this 0, it is applicable for x plus 5, x plus y. So its value, it will become what now, 1. Okay, now is equals to 1 they are telling. When we will simplify, now we are getting 1 answer. Okay, before that 1 plus 1 is, I'll get 2. Now into 1, 2 into 1, I'll get 2. But they are saying after simplification we will get answer 1, but we are getting this is 2. So according to us, then this statement is what, false. Okay, now let's check to the statement 2. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 into 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 zeros is 0. Yes, this is true, because they also said it is after simplification we will get 0, and we found 0. Hence this statement is true. Now let's check the option, which option we will get, that is. So according to that, both statement are true, no, false. Statement 1 is true, but we found that is false. So hence statement D, option D is the correct answer. That is statement 1 is false and statement 2 is a true. In the next video, I'll start from the assertion and reasoning questions. Okay.